Starting around 23 October 2023, torrential slide especially is exchanging at $10.02 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.27% in certainly most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Avax by and large has a genuinely all-out market cap of $3,557,408,596, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $230,613,837, showing that Avax generally has a very complete market cap of $3,557,408,596, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $230,613,837, or so they explicitly thought. This especially makes torrential slide, Avax, genuinely positioning at 21 in the digital currency market, which by and large is very critical. In the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2023, what will torrential slide in a real sense be really worth in 2023, which for the most part is very huge. Is torrential slide an especially wise venture or really worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will Avax cost by and large outperform its unsurpassed high in an in every practical sense, significant way? These generally are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future, which in every practical sense shows that these most certainly are our torrential slide cost forecasts for Avax's future, or so they most certainly thought. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2023 as per the torrential slide conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Avax cost for the most part is supposed to generally cross a normal value level of $14.49, the normal fundamentally least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to basically be $13.85 in a sort of enormous manner. Besides, Avax can truly arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $16.26, truly further appearance how in the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2023, what will torrential slide by and large be by and large worth in 2023, in spite of prevalent thinking? Avax value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of torrential slide in a real sense is determined to by and large be at around a very least worth of $12.11, which generally is very critical. The torrential slide value worth can especially arrive at an extremely limit of $13.77, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $13.39 in United States dollars incredibly. Torrential slide, Avax, value figure September 2023. The torrential slide, Avax cost for September 2023 may fundamentally arrive at a very least worth of $13.14, while the in every practical sense greatest gauge cost really is around $14.30, which basically is very huge. The sort of typical cost for Avax sort of is really anticipated to by and large reach $13.65 in September 2023, which especially is genuinely huge. Torrential slide value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of torrential slide essentially is supposed to be at around a kind of least of $13.29. Torrential slide cost can generally arrive at a genuinely limit of $14.85, with the kind of typical cost of $13.93 in United States dollars, which most certainly is very critical. Torrential slide value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the in every practical sense greatest cost for torrential slide could especially stretch around $15.55, demonstrating the way that torrential slide cost can generally arrive at a kind of limit of $14.85, with the very normal cost of $13.93 in United States dollars, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of Avax in November 2023 most certainly is $13.57, with a really normal cost of $14.20 in an in every practical sense significant way. Torrential slide cost expectation December 2023. Torrential slide cost is supposed to especially reach between $13.85 to $16.26 in December 2023, while the genuinely normal cost of Avax for the December fundamentally remains around $14.49. Torrential slide certainly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Avalanche's cost especially has shown a decent increment of 3.1% in the in every way that really matters, most recent 24 hours in an in every practical sense, enormous way. From especially most recent 7 days, the Avax generally was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 5.8%, which by and large shows that will Avax cost really outperform its unsurpassed exceptionally high in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide explicitly has shown areas of strength for certainly potential recently, and this could be certainly great chance to explicitly dive right in and contribute, which especially is genuinely huge. Inside the essentially most recent 1 month, the cost of Avax in every practical sense diminished by 52.819%, killing an incredible especially normal amount of $11.22 from its ongoing worth, exhibiting how torrential slide has shown areas of strength for certainly potential of late, and this could be decent, an open door to fundamentally dive right in and sort of contribute. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a truly great generally purchase an open door for speedy speculation. The 90 days cost change by and large is near 43.67%, and the cost truly circled from an essentially least truly normal cost of $16.54 to greatest extremely normal cost of $18.27 in the truly beyond 90 days in a really significant manner. Torrential slide most certainly is somewhere near 17.04%, with the greatest sort of typical cost of the coin, by and large was around $11.78, and the base sort of typical cost of truly was around $11.56 in kind of beyond 4 months in an essentially significant manner. Torrential slide value conjecture 2023 facts. What will basically be torrential slide kind of worth in 2023 in an exceptionally significant manner? The Avax cost by and large is gauged to in every practical sense arrive at a fundamentally most extreme degree of $16.26, with genuinely least cost of $13.85 toward the finish of 2023 in a truly significant manner. Torrential slides essentially have a future in a sort of significant manner. As far as value, torrential slide essentially has a remarkable really potential to in a real sense arrive at new levels. So torrential slide sort of is somewhere near 17.04%, with the exceptionally most extreme fundamentally normal cost of the coin fundamentally was around $11.78, and the exceptionally least truly normal cost of fundamentally was around $11.56 in certainly beyond 4 months. It basically is estimate that Avax will increment in esteem, exhibiting how as far as value, torrential slide certainly has a remarkable potential to sort of arrive at new levels. So torrential slide for the most part is somewhere around 17.04%, with the kind of greatest genuinely normal cost of the coin generally was around $11.78, and the sort of least commonly normal cost of in every practical sense was around $11.56 in beyond 4 months, which sort of